Hello babes, welcome back to my channel, Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks. I am Jeannie, and it is always a good day when goodies come in the mail. So I got a round of my BoxyCharm add-ons for July. It does seem like they are really kicking them out quick for July, which I am super happy about. I know we are all really excited for the ABH Takeover box that is coming for July. I know I am. And yeah, so I do have a few more orders from BoxyCharm add-ons that will be coming, but I did not go like apeshit crazy this month. I got some nice things and I left it at that, which I'm sure my husband is really appreciating this month because it's easy to really just boom, 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 and before you know it, oops, there goes like some hundreds of dollars. So, but I did okay this month. So let's just jump right into the goodies. So now we all know for the premium box, there was two palettes that were up against each other. So I chose the purple one and then grabbed this one in add-ons. So the theme kind of reminds me of like, wow, look at that flashback of like Halloween or something like that. I did give her a try yesterday, and I'll just be honest, the look that I tried was a fail. It did not come out the way that I envisioned it to, but that's okay. I know that I will be able to make a lot of looks with this. They are gorgeous colors. I can do some swatches. Let's go with this really pretty golden color. They are like super, super nice. I don't know if that one's going to show up so well because it's kind of light, but it is beautiful. Let's swatch this really pretty blue right here, or like bluish green. I do love the formula. I have her Riviera palette. It's an oldie but a goodie, and it's funny because I forgot that I had that palette. It's been in my collection for like ever, and I was doing some reorganizing, and I'm like, oh my god, my Riviera palette. And I ended up making a look with it that day that I found it. This was like, I don't know, maybe like a month or so ago. Let's do this purple one. That looks really pretty. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, these are, probably should have done it. I don't know how I should have done it, but I feel like I have like an awkward arm trying to show them off. But anyways, there's a few swatches from it. Like I said, I don't know. The one thing too, it seems like there are colors that are like super, super similar. Like these oranges are like almost the same shade, and the same with some of the greens. The shimmers I absolutely love, and I do love the vibrancy of the palette. And I know that I will probably fall in love with some of the looks that I will create with this palette. So I'm super excited to have her in my collection, and I'm really, really excited to get the one that I chose, the purple colored one. Those colors are kind of a little more up my alley, but I will definitely get use out of both of them. And the next thing that I got, I was so excited. Now, I made my look, my eye look today with this. This is the Ciate London, the Editor palette. And when I saw how gorgeous it looked in the BoxyCharm, like the picture, I just had to get it. This is not a palette that I've owned before. I'm trying to make it so the mirror doesn't ruin, you know, so you can see it. But anyways, there are definitely some gorgeous, gorgeous shimmers in here. There we go. There's a good look at her. So I did make my look today with it. I was calling this look Tequila Sunrise. I used this color right here. These colors do not have names unless I'm missing them somewhere, but it was this one and the second color here, which was like a super, almost like a pearl with like a hint of pink. And then I used the golden color and then this deeper red color for the outer corner. It is super, super cute. I did get some close-up pics, and maybe I will insert them while I'm doing editing. But anyhow, I'm super excited to have this in my collection. Like when I look at this palette, I just see so many possibilities, and I can't wait to play even more with it. So I'm really happy with that so far. Okay, and here's another thing. Now, this was another choice. Now, I think this was a choice for the base box, and I ended up choosing, I think it was the base box. Yeah, it had to be, because this is an ABH. This is Ofra Cosmetics. I do have their larger palette. Is it like the Boho Pro palette or something like that? I do love it. I'm in love with their highlights. I use them all the time on my inner corner and on my brow bone. In fact, I did use this for my highlight today. So I chose the other palette that was up. I know that people said that it was a repeat for BoxyCharm, but I don't have the palette, so I wanted to have that in my collection. So then I just picked up this one in add-ons, and look at those highlights and shimmers. I like cannot get enough of their highlight colors. They are so freaking gorgeous. So I did play around with this one a little bit today. One thing that I love about this palette is the big highlight shell is actually 4 different colors, which I did not realize that from the pictures when I ordered it. So that was a surprise. It's got like a whitish pearl, then like a more tannish pearl, and then a different shade pearl, and then a pinkish pearl. So I am like in love with this. I'm super excited to own this. I also really, really love this green color right here. It is so beautiful. Let me swatch that for you. I know some of you oh God, I'm in love with this. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. That is such a pretty shimmer. You know what? I should do the swatches on the back of my hand so that I could show them better. But anyhow, you live and learn. So I am so excited for this. And let's see. Now, this is something I have been wanting to try. They did come in boxes not too long ago, but I chose the Earth Harbor Aurora face oil that go round when these were up in choices, and I have been wanting to try it. This is the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer, and I did use it today, and I am in love with the way this stuff smells and feels and performs. I love this stuff. Oh my God, it literally smells like heaven. I will say that, like, for me, this is a little bit more perfumed than what I normally go for in things that are going on my face, but it doesn't smell bad. Like, I love it. It's almost like wild roses or something. But absolutely love this stuff. I know this is not something new. A lot of you have seen it before because it has been in BoxyCharm, but the consistency is a little different. And man, this is something that I will definitely keep in my collection now that I've tried it. I will definitely repurchase this after mine is gone. So I'm super, super happy to have this. I'll tell you, that is one thing, like, I get irritated with BoxyCharm's shit just like everybody else, but I will never quit them because of the way that we get to shop their add-ons. Like, whoops, like, I'm not going to be able to give that up because look at all this stuff we get to try. Like, this is expensive stuff that, like, sure, I could afford some expensive stuff here and there. Who can't? But, like, not this amount of it. Like, a lot of expensive stuff all the time we're getting to try. I wouldn't be able to do that, like, if it wasn't for add-on shopping. So I will never quit BoxyCharm just for that reason alone. And okay, so moving on. Ooh, so this is from Fenty Beauty. I love like really vibrant pinks and oranges, and when I saw this, I definitely wanted to give it a try. It is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil. It says Highlighter Duo, and I know it was like Mimosa Sunrise and you know, something else. I can't remember. Oh yeah, what is it? It's Sangria Sunset and Mimosa Sunrise. So super, super cute. But I definitely won't be using these for highlighters. colors. I don't know, I don't understand that because they're like a super vibrant pink and orange. So, at least not like a highlighter on my face, but I definitely will be using these for eye looks. And it's super, super cute. These are the, oops, super shine. These are the colors, super vibrant. I'll do some swatches on the back of my hand. Oh, so the pink has like some purple blue reflex, which I really, really like. So it's like multi-chrome color, super pretty. And then I will do the orange for you as well. So actually, I'm loving the colors, but I don't know if you can see that. It's like, I don't want to say powdery because it is a nice formula, but okay, so if you're going to go in with your fingers, go lightly because it's like chunking off. I don't know if that makes sense, but these are the colors. So I am super happy with them. I'm definitely going to be playing around with these. Boy, I wish I would have brought I have 10 million baby wipes with 2 in diapers. I should have brought some baby wipes to wipe off all my swatches, but I didn't think to. So anyway, this is that Fenty Beauty. I'm super happy with this. There is nothing that I got that I'm disappointed with. So that's awesome. Now, this is something I had made a post on my Reddit account where we all talk about BoxyCharm and add-ons and what did we get and this and that. And when I said that I got this, so many people said, oh, I hope it's not going to be rotten. That these came in boxes not too long ago, and a lot of people's the illuminating serum that it comes with, or the primer serum, illuminating primer serum that it comes with was like rotten and chunky and no good, and that the palette in it was also you know, just not the greatest. So I will say that my illuminating primer that I got with it is just fine. It doesn't have any kind of bad smell. And it's not chunky. So I'm really happy about that because I was worried because I know with BoxyCharm add-on sales, the sales are final. If you get something and it was broken or whatever, you don't get a refund or anything like that. That's only with items in your box, as far as I know, from what I've heard. So I was worried that I was going to get a bad product and then just kind of be screwed. But that didn't happen. I will say that those who told me that the palette was kind of you're right. I mean, I'll definitely use it. It's just a shimmer highlight palette, but the colors are almost like translucent on. I can do some swatches, but you're probably not even going to be able to see them. So here's the pink color in the middle. Super, super translucent shimmers. It's right here. You can kind of see where I will do the golden color for you. Again, just super, super translucent, and but I will use them for highlights. I will. I love shimmer and highlight, so I will use them, but it's not going to be my favorite thing in the world that I reach for all the time or anything like that. As far as this, I haven't tried it out yet. I just am glad that it's not rotten. So I will let you know what I think about that at a later time. I mean, I don't assume that it's going to be like my favorite thing in the world because I just don't. But anyhow, I mean, I'm sure I will get some use out of it. And, you know, I keep looking at the Rihanna. Oh, God. I just love it. I love shit like that. Okay, so what is next? Okay, so now this is from Ciate London. I don't know if I said that right, but I did get one of their eye creams last month in BoxyCharm. Their retail value on these are crazy high, like $150, $120, $130, their products. So I love my skincare stuff. I absolutely love the eye cream that I got last time, so I wanted to give this a try. This is their Delight Radiance Restoring Facial Serum. So, I don't know much about it. I have not given it a try yet, but I'm sure I probably will tonight. I always say to myself when I get all these new skincare products, because if you saw how many skincare products I use and have open, like, it's a little bit disgusting, I'm not gonna lie. So I always say, okay, I'm just gonna keep this until like I use some stuff up, and then like a day or two will go by and my curiosity kills me and I open it because I can't wait anymore. So although I would like to say that I'm going to save this for a while, you know, it may or may not happen. Okay, and then the very last item is from Marc Jacobs. This was it was a face luminizer. This is in Sunset, and the reason that I got this is because I own the Moonlit one. The Moonlit is a white pearly iridescent. They are liquid highlights, and I fell in love with this product. So when you put it on, and normally I will put it on and then I will just kind of take my finger and buff it in a bit, and then sometimes I will take a beauty sponge and just tap at it a little bit. But the luminosity that it gives your skin without even feeling or looking like you have makeup on is everything. Everything, you guys. Like, it just melts into your skin. There's a no makeup look with this stuff. So since I had the Moonlit color, I had to try the Sunlit color. I don't have it on right now because I've been absolutely obsessed with my Touch and Soul Glowdient one, and that is what I have on right now. But let's just give this one a try. So this one, the other one is like I said, it's like a pearly iridescent, and then this one is more of a golden tan. But it's supposed to be the same formula. And yes, the formula is absolutely just, oh my God, you guys, it just rubs in like lotion and melts in and leaves. I know that you probably can't see it like I can in real life, but just a gorgeous, no makeup look luminosity to this stuff. And I don't know if Marc Jacobs Beauty is going out of business or rebranding or what the deal is, but we all know that, you know, something is going on with it. Nevertheless, these may not be available much longer. So if you have not gotten any of these, I highly recommend getting you some. The last I checked, you could still get them on Sephora for half off. So I think about $15 or something like that. And that is where I did get the Moonlit color. The Sunlit color was on the BoxyCharm add-on. But if you have not gotten these, I definitely recommend grabbing a couple of them and having them for your collection, because they are a wonderful product and we don't know if we're going to be able to continue to get them. So that is it for this little BoxyCharm add-on haul. I do have a few more on the way, but not over the top this month. I think I have 2 more orders coming, and one of them has two different products, and the other one was one of the buy more, save more. So there's 2 products, but they're the same product. So, and that's it. I did good this month. I'm actually kind of proud. Like, I did not go over the top, but I got myself a good little amount of nice things to try, and I'm very happy with it. So I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. We do monthly giveaways with all the good stuff over here, and one thing that I have been lacking on is doing my get ready with me videos and showing how I do some of my eye makeup and different looks, and I do promise that I'm going to try really hard to get more of those up. But I do work with 2 babies under the age of 2 and a teenager, and it's hard to find time sometimes, but I do promise to work harder on getting more of those videos up for you. And in the meantime, I'm always going to be here with my BoxyCharms, my Ipsies, my giveaways, and all of those lovely things. And until next time, stay lovely, stay safe, stay beautiful. I love you guys.